This video is a continuation of my journey through Iraqi Kurdistan. After so much exploring of the Kurdish autonomous region of Iraq, I found myself back in the city of where it all started. The city of Erbil made a real nice impression on me, especially the Ankawa neighborhood. I stayed at the Welton Hotel, by the way. I'll leave their information down in the description below. It was close to evening when I arrived back, and I decided to explore some of the local nightlife. I came across the Piccadilly Pub within walking distance to my hotel. They literally just opened up when I arrived, and here I am talking with the staff. All right, we're here at the Piccadilly Pub here in Erbil. How you doing?
How you doing, bro?
Good, good, good. So it's a cool, this happens to be like around the corner from my hotel, and I like it. I love the setup. The view is really nice. And I guess just a couple of quick questions. The clientele, is it mostly locals or tourists?
It's mostly tourists, but we have some local
Okay.
customers, but
Okay.
mostly tourists because it's a British team.
True, true. Oh, let me show the... There's the logo, just like the place in London. Cool. And when people come in here to ask for a drink, what's the is there something that's really popular?
All the classics.
Oh, what was that?
All the classics.
Oh, the classics. Okay.
The bar guy.
Okay, like gin and tonic,
Yeah, gin tonic, West
rum and coke.
Irish rum and coke.
Okay. And beer-wise, I see you got Heineken. I'm drinking Almasa. Lebanese? That's the most
yeah.
Lebanese beer. Okay. Cool, cool. Awesome. And the biggest nights here, Thursday nights?
Yeah, Thursday, Friday. It's
Thursday and Friday?
Yeah, you should see.
Cool. I'll try to make it. But right now it's a Sunday afternoon, if anyone's watching. And when I walked in, I literally just walked in a few minutes ago, and they just like opened the door. So that's why, well, it's good because it's not crowded, because now we can talk easily. But
It's the common part of the day.
there you go. That's fine. It's all good. Awesome. All right. Well, thanks for your time.
Yes, man.
I'll tell everyone, hey, so if you're in if you're here in Erbil, this is the bar to go to. Come to Piccadilly. Later on that evening, we were treated to some live music. The next day, I decided to walk around the center of Erbil in order to do some shopping. I came across a shop selling military gear, and this is what ensued. Thinking I should try wearing these on the plane back home. Be interesting. Even in kids' sizes. Pretty cool. Oh, how you doing? Hello? No? No filming? All right, they did not want to be on film. I was asked to turn the camera off, and I did. I'm not here to start problems. As you can see, there's a lot of military gear for sale. I was actually by the shopping center the other day, and I still need to buy souvenirs to bring back home, so I'll be definitely wandering around, doing some shopping. But yeah, I did not expect that to happen with the military gear. I guess I'm pushed it too far. Who knows? Oh well. Not the end of the world. I went by the Citadel to check out one of the historic tea houses. All right, here we are. We're right by the Citadel again. This was pretty authentic. I'm gonna go up there in a few minutes to get something to drink so that I can go through here again. It's like the place to go souvenir shopping. Sorry. I do notice some people moving out of the way of the camera. I get it. Not everybody wants to be on YouTube. All right, here we are. I found out it's one of the oldest tea houses here. It's from 1940. A quick panorama. After that, I decided to check out the Erbil Civilization Museum. Okay, here we are. I was told to go to this museum. I heard it's one of the better ones in Kurdistan. Give me an idea of the neighborhood I'm in. All right, let's go. Museum admission is free, so if you're in town and looking for something to do and you're on a budget, this is a solid choice. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of signs to no photographs, no filming, but nobody has said a word to me yet. So I'm gonna keep recording until they tell me not to. It's very interesting stuff. Later on that evening, I went to the Vinery, which is located in the Dream City area of Erbil. I also highly recommend this venue. Here I am. All right, here I am in Erbil. Cool. Gonna do a shot for me. A little bit of vodka. What's next? Orange juice? All right. And it's gonna get me some Tabasco hot sauce. And what's the name of the shot? Doodoo shot. All right, cheers. Shukran. All right. The next morning, I went to the Assyrian Museum, which is located in the Yankawa neighborhood. All right, last day in Erbil. One more museum to hit up. It's the Syriac Museum. I got some time to kill before getting my ride to the airport, so I'm gonna go check it out real quick. Let's hope it's open. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I hope it's open. And all right, see if I can film inside. Oh, beautiful tapestry. And here's when Pope Francis visited the area. Civic journalism. Okay, and here's their alphabet. And I guess these are bishops or leaders, church leaders.
Really cultured people.
Okay. Excellent. Oh yeah. Up to date, yeah. State of the art. Oh, old manuscripts. Wow, are these like Bibles or? Wow. These are really old, you can tell. Amazing that you guys are preserving this. And you get a better view of the scripts I use. A lot of people realize they have their own alphabet, Aramaic, the language of Jesus. As it was my last day in Erbil, I had to head back to the airport to catch my flight to the USA. And that concludes my time here. But before I end this video, I have an important message. So, by the way, I'm back in Miami, no longer in Iraqi Kurdistan. And so, what are my final thoughts? During my time in Iraqi Kurdistan, I've been lucky enough to engage with locals of all types. I'm talking Iraqi Kurds, Chaldean Catholics, Assyrians, and Yazidis. And the one thing they all agreed on was that they would like to see either an independent Kurdistan or one with more autonomy pertaining to each community. The reasons for this are complex, but mostly it stems from the fact that they feel like the central government in Baghdad is ignoring their needs, and they're not getting back the services with what they're putting in. And also the conflict that they went through in when you had ISIS or Daesh and trying to take their territory, they feel like they fought them off the most. They deserve to be rewarded their own country. So, what do the people in that Baghdad think, the central government? They're not in agreement. They believe that the country should be unified and it'll be stronger that way. Okay, another unique reason that I've heard from many of the people in Iraqi Kurdistan is that I never thought of this, and I'm glad that they brought it to my attention, is that the Iraqi passport is one of the weakest in the world. And for the citizens of that country to travel, it's a headache. They have to get visas, and there's all kinds of requirements, whereas there was a new Kurdish state, there's a good chance that the passport won't be as weak, and for them, there'll be a big benefit. Now, as someone that does travel frequently, and many times, even though I'm lucky to have an American passport, I did have to get visas in my, for certain countries, and it's a headache. I can't imagine going through that same headache each time you want to travel to somewhere, let's say to England or Italy or Turkey even. So I kind of see that point of view too. As for myself, I do support a Kurdish state, but it needs to be done in a peaceful manner. If you watch my previous episode on Zaho, I have spoken out against organizations such as the PKK. I do not approve of their tactics at all. They're a violent group of people, and many tactics they use are really, if anything, they're hurting their cause more than improving it. So another thing that needs to be involved too is to negotiate with the governments of Iraq, Iran, Turkey, and Syria. I don't see that happening anytime soon, unfortunately, because no central government wants to give land. Just a matter of reality. But overall, this isn't up to me, but strictly to the citizens of Iraq. And this is a country that I've been to twice already. I've traveled throughout, and it's a place that I definitely have deep feelings for. And I wish everyone the best, and hopefully one day I will return, inshallah. So anyway, that wraps it up. And my next video will be from Colombia. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.